What's going on, everyone? AJ here again with another episode of my options for the day. Just so you guys know, like I said yesterday, if you got in on Peloton, you definitely cashed out yesterday. Um, I definitely cashed out a good amount of cash, which I'm excited to announce. This is my portfolio right now. We're having a green morning, which is always a good sign. I actually got in on Zoom. I'm trying to ride that wave. I was up actually like $200 on that yesterday. Peloton actually got back in, and they're actually up in after hours. They're actually up an additional $8. So I'm probably gonna make $7. Looking to make some more profit off that as well today. AMD, I messed up. I actually purchased an AMD put, which I shouldn't have. I thought Nvidia was going to shut it down and make their stock react in a negative way, and that didn't happen. So when I saw that wasn't happening, AMD started kind of rising, and I bought a call. Um, that they both expire this Friday. I'm more than likely going to sell the AMD put today because AMD doesn't look like it's going down, but I do want to save it because for the end of the day, because Intel does have a meeting today releasing their chip that's going to compete with AMD, and it's better than AMD. So we'll see if it dips, but I'll definitely sell this call before that meeting as well. Next, Nvidia. Nvidia, oh my gosh. Nvidia pissed me off yesterday. I was actually in a meeting with a client of mine, and I came back and I was up $3,000. Um, and I left for 10 minutes. I came back and it took a massive dip. I was only up about 1,500, and I thought I was going to climb back because I was reading all the content, all the chips they released, and how much everyone loved them. And it just ended up it just continued to tank. And I actually went in the negative. So just so you guys know, when you feel like you're up, I mean, I would definitely like sell and not hold out. I was hoping for the bigger gain, and I clearly messed up. But hey, shit happens. Tesla, hoping to try to get close to breaking even. Even I'm probably gonna hold that until 9.4 because you never know with Tesla. Shit can just start running. Microsoft, I might sell that today or tomorrow because um, I don't know how much they move. They don't really move that much compared to Tesla and Apple. And TikTok news still hasn't come out. And there's all these regulations now with China, and now people don't even think the deal's going to happen. But then there's another bidder for obviously another bidder for TikTok. Oracle was in it, but now Oracle is potentially partnering up with Sequoia. I think it's Sequoia venture capital firm, who obviously already invests in social media apps and stuff. And if they get TikTok, that could really make sense. Oracle brings the cloud computing component, while Sequoia brings like that consumer experience. But I still think Microsoft and Walmart purchase TikTok just because of how much it costs, and Microsoft just has security, and Walmart can offer a really, really, really great e-commerce component. I still have my Walmart call. They went up a little yesterday because they did release their Amazon subscription service, similar competitor type of deal. So they're now competing with Amazon with this subscription service, like kind of like Amazon Prime. And this just goes to show if they get TikTok, I mean, they could really integrate that in there as well. Fastly is starting to move a little. I'm hoping we can get a nice little price bump today. I might have to sell today because of my expiration date. Square is looking like a lost cause. Unfortunately, I was reading a couple articles of their price target of 205 or 225. It's just not moving. Plug is moving. I'm hoping it continues to rise. If it's near $15, so if it gets to $15 by Friday, I break even. That's fine. Chewy, my buddy and I, they got earnings next week. They're similar to like they call Chewy like a pandemic stock, similar to Zoom and similar to Peloton. So I'm just gonna ride that wave, see how that does. Neo, I've already made a ton of money off Neo, but they actually have their earnings tomorrow, and they actually got a price target of 25, and they started getting some more momentum yesterday. So, I'm going to definitely hold on to that, and that's for next week. And then run I have as well, which is a solar company. They continue to grow. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to take a 2 week option call because they just continue to just skyrocket. And solar is booming right now. I then bought another Microsoft option because I'm just playing it safe. You know, TikTok needs to be acquired by 9/15, I think, or 9/16. Maybe it's 9/18. So I just want to make sure if Microsoft does, I'm there. Apple is down a good amount. That's okay though. I expect it to bounce back. There's no way Apple's not at 170 or 180 in 2 weeks. That's just my opinion. Grow, huge fan of Grow. Made some money off that early a couple months ago. They're kind of getting some momentum back. So I'm going to hold them along with Solo, and Blink is still a disappointment. I mean, I think they should be trading way higher than they are. They are great. They are a electric car charging company. And yeah, I just unfortunately that this negative news that came out about them potentially inside trading is unfortunate because they dropped $5, but they were trading at around 12. Now they're at like 7, and they just got $1 million contract the other week. They're doing some really good things, especially since they're just they're in a market that they're in a brand new market, the electric charging market, and they're really taking it over. So there's not much competition in that market either. I believe it's either electric charging or hydrogen charging. I forget which one, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I would highly suggest, yeah, trying some of my suggestions. Some suggest one option I am looking at today. I will be completely blunt with you guys. Is Penn National Gaming? They actually just acquired a Barstool company. Yeah, right here. And that was 11 hours ago. So I expect them to kind of run up a little. And they have, I believe, yeah. They also had a price target or a price lift from $57 to $75. So this might be a long-term option call, thinking about probably like September 18th or maybe the end of September. But that's really all I have for today, guys. I hope you've been enjoying my past 2 episodes here, and I hope some of my calls have helped you, earn some cash. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video, and like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah.